Today, we're visiting Jiangsu Fast Machinery Co. Ltd. and we're very honored to invite Mr. Xu, the purchasing director of Fast. Hello, Mr. Xu.
Hello, Leiko. I'm the director of the Fast.
What does Fast mean as the name of your company?
It means quickly response, fast action, and rapid development.
Mr. Xu, we've learned that Fast's main product range includes feed machinery, conveying machinery, environmental protection machinery, and more. Could you please provide us with more details about your primary products?
Fast, which is an innovative enterprise specializing in feed machinery and complete engineering, grain and oil processing, storage machine complete engineering, and environmental protection machinery. We are committed to providing high-quality machinery products, intelligence equipment, and system solutions to customers worldwide.
May I know how many workshops do we have in our entire factory?
Our factory follows European design principles and it occupies a total area of 32,000 square meters with a total of 11 workshops.
For these workshops here, are these all our cranes?
Yes, within these 11 workshops, we have a total of 27 overhead cranes from Eurocrane, ranging from 5 to 16 tons.
Mr. Xu, as you mentioned earlier, the name Fast in your company signifies quick action. In fact, this aligns well with Europeans' commitment to responding to customer within 15 minutes and arriving at customer site within 1 day. After the crane installation, did you observe if this commitment was met?
This was also one of the most important reasons for closing Eurocrane. During my visit to Eurocrane headquarters, I was deeply impressed by the service section in showroom. The quality control at every stage of the crane production process, from material handling, welding, surface treatment, to assembly was impeccable, giving us great confidence. Therefore, we placed the order for a total of 27 cranes, ranging from 5 to 16 tons. We think your company has consistently delivered the promised service.
Mr. Xu, I'd like to ask you about Eurocrane overhead crane. After its deployment for material handling, are there any aspects that have significantly improved your company's efficiency? Do you have any data for it?
In our mechanical production process, the overhead crane is a crucial part. Based on our usage of your company's crane for nearly a year, we have seen a substantial improvement in material handling efficiency. It operates smoothly, which has led us very satisfied. Firstly, from a visual perspective, Eurocrane has a perfect design. The structure, including the main beam, hoist, and lifting mechanism, is very well organized. In terms of usage, the hoisting and driving movements are especially smooth, with precise positioning during operation. Moreover, the crane generates little noise, contributing to a good workshop environment. This makes our workers more comfortable and leading to increased work quality and efficiency. Because of the scratch, it effectively increased the available workshop space. The electrical components are stable and the failure rate is remarkably low.
Thank you, Mr. Xu, for your recognition of Eurocrane products.